this arrow means is implies if it turned out that the market's required return was exactly equal to the coupon rate, the bond sells at par, face value, and that's how the company or the government entity, whatever, figures out how to set the coupon rate. If this is a AAA rated bond, what are investors requiring right now on a AAA rated bond? If the answer is 5%, then we can sell our bonds with a coupon rate of 5%. The bond we just saw, the coupon rate was way less than the yield to maturity, so that implies that the bond sells at a discount, which is what we just calculated. On the other hand, it might be the case that interest rates go down after the bond has been issued. That would mean that investors would pay more than the face value for the bond, and it would sell at a premium. Okay, one last thing that I'm going to tell you, and this is FYI, so it's not going to be a test question. It turns out if we're looking at an increase in the interest rate, so let's say that the interest rate goes up 1%. A bond with a 5-year maturity's price is going to go down more than a bond with a 3-year maturity. So longer maturity, greater price drop. A bond with a 3% coupon rate versus a bond with a 5% coupon rate, for a 1% increase in interest rates, its price is going to fall more. So longer maturities, so let's say 3 years versus 5 years, 3% versus 5%. So this one has more risk, this one has more risk. Okay, the good news, Madison, we're done with the material for test 2.
Good deal. So that means in a lecture, right?
The end of the lecture, that is correct, because we're going to do the spreadsheet next.
Okay.
Thank you, Caitlin. Okay. Now, one thing I do want to point out. This is the end of the material for test 2. That is correct. However, test 3 is going to start with the beginning of lecture note 6. So you're going to see coupon bond pricing again. The good news is that for test 3, you're going to have a spreadsheet to use to calculate bond pricing. Okay, so pull up the spreadsheet that we downloaded on Monday.